Hey guys, Mr. Tavio here, talking about decision making. So the what, decision making, or how. Our agenda, life is a journey. We're going to watch a little clip of video, decision making process styles, decisions and mistakes, and a career plan quiz. And then why? Because our choices define us, right? These are our decisions, and they are ours in the end. They're nobody else's. So our bell work word is choice. Our choices define us. You can see here our motivations. This is part of our self-efficacy, our selecting and the confidence in our goals and plans, right? No clarity, confidence, conviction are lost. Clarity and confidence are the found, and conviction are the elite. They go out and do it. So choices. One thing that no one can take away from us is our choice in how we feel, right? We own it. It's ours. Even the concentration camp, Viktor Frankl felt we own our choices. Life is a journey is our next answer. You can click through here. Watch a little clip here about not making a decision. Decision making process is your next answer. And what is one major decision you've had in your life so far? Did you plan it? Did it work out? Answer that as well. Typical manner in which a person makes a decision is called their decision making style. A goal without a plan is just a wish. You can see a quick pros and cons activity. Painful, impulsive, your next answer, right? Look at Homer. Compliant is your next answer. You have delaying. The Conflict Crossroads by Jeff Johnson. And then with 3 mistakes, they're going to be intentional, ignorant, and inescapable. See the flip the switch versus blame, complain, defend. Some coping with decisions, pair cards, and then we get into the deep stuff, right? So we're going to do a career quiz, so I'll have the link there for you as well. All right, some of your answers on that, and I have some images pasted in, but you're gonna define these for. You put down what your interest and your style were. They're there and there. You're gonna write down what the top 3 careers were, and then also choose the number 1. You're gonna put that number 1 also in here as well as your form. So, if you guys have a great day.